This is Teacher Verhel and welcome to my YouTube channel. Good day everyone. Today we're going to talk about special products. Now you may ask, what makes the product special? It is special because we are using patterns and formulas in getting the product of polynomials. So to know more about special products, let us have these examples. Okay, suppose we have here the cube of 1/4 x squared y minus 10m. So our x here is 1/4 x squared y, and our y is 10m. So getting, we are using this formula, x cubed minus 3x squared y plus 3x y squared minus y cubed, because we have here a difference between the two terms. So getting the cube of 1/4 x squared y. So when we talk about 1/4 cube of 1/4, that is 1 times 1 times 1, that is 1. Then 4 times 4 times 4, 4 times 4 is 16, times 4 is 64. So applying the power of a power rule, 2 times 3, that is 6. Understood, we have here 1 times 3 is cube. So we have 3. Now, for the second term, so we're going to get the square of 1/4 x squared y, because that is negative 3 x squared y, so negative 3 1/4 x squared y squared times 10m, which is y. So the square of 1/4, that is 1 times 1 is 1, 4 times 4 is 16. Then multiply the exponent, power of power rule, 2 times 2, that is 4, 1 times 2 is 2. Just copy negative 3 and 10m. For the third term, we have 3xy squared. So 3 times 1/4 x squared y times the square of 10m. So this time we are going to get first the square of 10m. So the square of 10m, that is 10m times 10m, that is 100m squared. Or 2 times 1, that is 2. And bring down 1/4 x squared y and 3. Then 10m cubed, that is 10 times 10, what is 100, times 10 is 1000 m cubed. That is 1 times 3, that is 3. So this time you are going to multiply, simplify the second term and the third term. So just bring down 1/4 x to the power of 6 y cubed. This time we have to multiply negative 3, 1 over 16, and 10. So understood, we have here 1 for 3. And 10 for the denominator 1. So negative 3 times 1 is negative 3 times 10 is negative 30. This is negative 30. So 16 times 1 times 1, that is 16. Just copy. So we are going to arrange the letters or the variables based on the order of the letters in the English alphabet. So we have here m first, and x to the power of 4 and y squared. Now for the third term, so understood, we have here 1 for the denominator of 3, and 100 is 1. 3 times 1 times 3, that is 300. 4 times 1 times 1 is 4. And then you are going to arrange the letters or the variables. So m squared x squared y minus 1000 m cubed. So just copy minus 1000 m cubed. So what we've noticed that 30 over 16 can be reduced to a lowest term. So divide it by 2, that is 15 over 8. So this is already the lowest term. Do not write in decimal form anymore. So 15 over 8. Just copy m x to the power of 4y squared. 300 divided by 4, that is 75. M squared x squared y minus 1000 m cubed. So this is now the product of the cube of 1/4 x squared y minus 10m, that is 1 over 64. X to the power of 6y cubed minus 15 over 8 mx to the power of 4y squared plus 75 m squared x squared y minus 1000 m cubed. So next example for number 6, the cube of 3/5 x cubed plus 2/3 y squared. So take note, this is a sum of two terms. So we have to use this formula. They're all positives. So getting the cube of x, so the cube of 3/5 x cubed. When we talk about the cube, meaning you are going to multiply 3 times by itself, and the same also with 5. So 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 is 27. 5 times 5, 25 times 5 is 125. Multiply the exponents for this power of the power rule. 3 times 3, that is 9. For the second term, what is 3x square y? So 3 times 3 fifth x cubed square times 2 third y square. So this time we are going to get the square of 3 fifth x cubed first. So the square of 3, that is 9. The square of 5 is 25. Multiply the exponent for x, that is 3 times 2, that is 6. Bring down 2 third y square. Now for the third term, so you are going to get the square of 2 third y square first. The square of 2, that is 4. The square of 3 is 9. Multiply the exponent of 2, that is y to the power of 4. Just bring down 3 fifth x cube over and 3. Then the cube of 2, that is 2 times 2 times 2, that is 8. The 3 cube is to the 7. So multiply the exponent for y. 2 times 3 is 6. Simplify the second term and the third term. So understood, we have here 1 for 3. 3 times 9 is 27 times 2, that is 54. Then 1 times 25 is 25 times 3 is 75. Bring down x to the power of 6 and y square. For the third term, 3 times 3 is 9, times 4 is 36. 1 times 5 is 5, 5 times 9 is 45. So just copy x cubed y to the power of 4. And bring down 8 over 27 y to the power of 6. So since 54 over 75 can be reduced to lowest term, so it is divisible by 3. So 54 divided by 3, the GCF of this is 3. So 54 divided by 3, that is 18. 75 divided by 3 is 25. X to the power of 6, y to the power of 2. 36 over 45, that is, the GCF is 9. Take note, it's the greatest common factor. That is 9. So 36 divided by 9 is 4. 45 divided by 9 is 5. So x cubed y to the power of 4. Just copy 8 over the 7y to the power of 6. So it is already in lowest term. Since the GCF of this is 1, 80 to the 5, so 27 over 125. So this is now the product of the cube of 3 fifth x cubed plus 2 third y square. I hope you learned something today. This is Teacher Verhel. Thank you, and may God bless us all.